We've all been told the same thing since childhood. Work hard and you'll succeed. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Hard work alone is not enough. You can work 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, and still end up stuck in the same place. Why? Because hard work without direction is like running on a treadmill. You're sweating, you're exhausted, but you're not moving forward. Let me tell you a story about Daniel. Daniel grew up believing that the harder you work, the luckier you get. He was the first to arrive at work and the last to leave. He said yes to every task, stayed late on weekends, skipped family gatherings, all because he thought effort was the ultimate key to success. And for a while, people admired him. His boss called him dedicated, his friends said he was the hardest worker they knew. But here's the problem. After years of grinding, Daniel realized something heartbreaking. He was still in the same position, earning the same salary, and living the same tired routine. One day, Daniel watched a new employee, Emily, get promoted after just 8 months. She didn't work longer hours than him. She didn't look half as stressed. And it hit him. Maybe success isn't just about working harder. Maybe it's about working smarter.
Difference between hard work and smart work. You see, hard work is about effort, but smart work is about strategy. Hard work says, do more. Smart work asks, is what I'm doing the most effective thing? Hard work fills your time with activity. Smart work fills your time with results. Emily, for example, didn't just work. She focused on the right tasks. She learned to delegate, she built strong relationships, she invested in skills that made her valuable, and most importantly, she made sure every hour she worked brought her closer to her goals. This is the shift Daniel had to make, from being busy to being intentional. How to work smart. 3 practical steps. Step 1. Define the goal before the work. Don't just work for the sake of working. Start every task by asking, what's the real outcome I want? If your goal is to increase your income, maybe spending another hour on emails isn't as valuable as learning a high-demand skill. Step 2. Focus on high-impact activities. 80% of your results often come from 20% of your actions. Find out what those high-impact activities are and put most of your energy there. For Daniel, it was networking with decision makers and improving his presentation skills, not just answering every small request. Step 3. Learn, adapt, and improve. Smart work is flexible. If something isn't bringing you closer to your goal, change the approach. Don't be afraid to ask, is there a faster, better way to do this? Remember, the smartest workers are not the fastest runners. They're the ones who choose the best race to run. Daniel eventually stopped working late every night. He stopped saying yes to everything. He started saying yes only to the things that truly mattered. And within a year, he earned the promotion he had been chasing for almost a decade. Not because he worked harder, but because he worked smarter. So maybe it's time you asked yourself, are you just busy, or are you actually moving forward? Hard work builds the foundation. Smart work builds the future. Stop working hard. Start working smart. Your time, your energy, and your life are too valuable to waste on running in circles. Make every step count. And if this message spoke to you, take a moment to like this video so more people can hear it. Subscribe to the channel for more calm, life-changing insights, and let's keep building a smarter, better future.